Hi, this is Matt from Lamination System. Today I'm going to show you our Signmaster AG. This is the biggest machine we've ever produced and we're really quite excited about it. Alright, we'll start with some of the basics. So basically we've got pneumatic control on the rollers, open and shut. We also now have 150mm precision ground silicon rollers, which are the biggest rollers we've ever put in a laminator. Also with this machine, we're running 15mm laser cut side plates to give absolute precision as far as tracking and everything like that goes. It does bring the machine in now at quite a dainty 1,000 kilos, but it is really, really robust and can run at real high speed without any sort of runoff, which is really what we're chasing with a laminator. Also with this machine, we have now stepped up to a servo driven motor, which is the most powerful motor we've put in one of these laminators as well, which means it gives us high speed. It runs belt drives and sealed bearings, so there's very little maintenance and great reliability. The other thing we've also added to our machines is we've got our main control panel on the front, and we also have a control panel on the rear, which we'll show you in a moment. So we've got dual controls, so the machine can be run from the front and the back of the machine. Another great feature of this machine that we've added is a vacuum table. So what that means is we can bring our print up onto the table and it just stays there. We don't have to hold it. You can set up the machine, it holds it in place for you and then automatically turns off. So that is another excellent feature which saves you a lot of time. It means you can get set up dead straight every time, which is another super crucial thing on a laminator. Mounting. Got plus 50mm of mounting height. So we can mount over 50mm on it. What we'll do now is I'll move around to the back of the machine and I'll show you another excellent feature, which is our air shaft mandrels. So this machine has pneumatic mandrels as well. So what basically we can do is we unlock it and the mandrel swings out. Very strong, very robust. You basically slide a core on, that's it, it's locked in place. Unlock it. So bring your job on, line it up with your markers, in place. Mandrel locks itself in place automatically. That's an excellent feature. We have 3 of these on the machine, one for the film, one for the job rewind, and another one on the front for your job off-take. So as we move around, I will show you, we have a knife kit, which comes standard in this machine. This is really good if you're running multiple small items for mounting. You can split them up before, so you're not having to do it on the bench. It saves you bench work. The other thing we also have is our patented anti-static roller. So this roller removes static, only rotates in one direction. It removes static from basically your worst sort of products for the static, which is your cast films with your polyester liners, which if you all probably know what it's like to get static blasts off that, this removes that problem. As we move around to the back, that's the rear control panel as I mentioned before. So you've got all your controls on the rear as well. So open and close rollers. Everything is at the rear of the machine apart from temperature control. We also have a dual foot switch, so we can, again, open and close rollers and run the machine from wherever you choose to set up your pedal. From this point now, I'm going to set up some film and I'm going to show you how to laminate with it. Alright, now I've set it up for laminating. We're just running some gloss polymeric film onto some salve, printed salve. Alright, so I'm set up for laminating. So what I'm going to do is I'll get you to come in and have a look at the controls. Pretty straightforward. We've got temperature settings, we've got speed control. Basically what I've done is we've also got a meter counter, and what I've set is auto pause. So what auto pause will do is we'll stop the machine when we run out of printed material. So that's another really good feature, so it doesn't overrun, because it can run quite fast. So what I'm going to do now is start the machine up. So as you can see, we're only crawling along there slowly at the moment. So we'll give it some speed and we're now laminating. As you can see, it's collecting the job at the back. And it is really as simple as that, because it is set up so straight that basically, what, I'll give you some more speed because this is a very quick machine. And now you're laminating. So what I can do with this green button here, I can slow the machine down with the touch of a button. I can slow the machine down. So if you see anything going on, you can just tap that and it will slow the machine down, it won't stop it. If I hit it again, it will stop the machine. So basically I can use that as a quick way to reduce speed. So I'm nearly out of print here, so what I'm going to do is wait for it for a second. I'm going to slow it down. I can probably give it a bit more speed. Machine stops itself. And it is beeping to tell us that it has finished the job. It's a really, really good laminator, and I don't think you'll regret it if you get one of these. It'll be the last one you get. Thank you for watching us. We'll do a full instructional manual video on this machine, and we'll see you in that video. Thank you.